In this video we're going to talk about an issue we're having with a window where the water is finding its way in the seal at the top of the sash. This could just because of age, or the sash is actually bowed and the seals are no longer working. So a simple solution for this is to install a weather bar above your window. So your weather bar comes a 950mm length, or you can get a custom length up to 6 meters. You'll get 2 end caps and 3 fixing nipple screws. So to begin, what we want to do is take the overall size of the sash and add 10mm. So here we have 625, so we're going to cut the drip bar to 635 just so you've got a slight overhang. So once you've cut your bar, close your window over, make sure it's closed, and draw a pencil line across the top of your window where the sash meets the frame. Go inside, open up your window, and from that line, what you want to do is measure up 8mm. So 8mm. Just 2 wee lines, and then get a straight edge across the top. Or you can use your weather bar just to go across the top. And then draw that and draw another line. Now what you want to do is divide roughly for 3 screws. If your window is bigger, you can get 4 or 5 screws, but 2 screws at either end. Just make a little mark where you want 2 screws and then 1 in the centre. So that's your 3 points of where you're going to drill your nipple screws into to attach the weather bar to the frame. Now what you want to do is get your nipple screws and your gun, and the points you've made is drill in your nipple screws. One. So this 8mm that you've measured up is the centre of the back of the channel of the weather bar that clips on to the nipple screws. So now you've done that, just close the window over and check. Looks good. So now you have your weather bar, your screws are in place. What you want to do is just even up your weather bar and simply just give it a thud, and that clips in. A thud, that clips in. And this one's a bit harder because it's near the hinges. Just even a press and that clips in. Now close your window over again. And as you can see, sitting nice, no obstruction. And your final points would be to install your little end caps. Use a wee dab of glue on each side. You can actually run a bead of silicone on the back of the bar before you put it on, in worst cases. If you're getting a lot of driving rain. Fiddly. So then just even it up, give it a wee tight, use a wee hammer, this is the top of it, to even it up. And I'll demonstrate with a little bit of water how it runs off and away. But as you can see, it runs over the top, on both sides. And that will certainly deflect the rain from getting in the top of your sash and causing water ingress. So as you can see, if I run a bit of water over the top, it's just completely going over the top of the sash, and it is not entering where the damaged seal is or the bowed sash.